Well, sign more. I make it, despite your directions.
Superintendent Chalmers, welcome. I hope you are prepared for an unforgettable luncheon.
Superintendent Chalmers.
Oh, we got! My roast is run!
Or whatever. Or to protest statute and discuss it as my own cooking.
Ho, ho, ho.
Delightfully Irish sailor.
Rise beat, winner with the spring shaft for speed, leads pleasure lies in the beat. Sunrise beat.
Say more!
Superintendent of stretching my cows on the windowsill. It doesn't so easy.
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, Seymour?
Oh, that isn't smoke. It's steam.
Sclans.
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
I thought I have one.
Oh no, I said steamed hams. That's what I call hamburgers.
You call hamburgers steamed hams.
Yes, it's a regional dialect.
More perhaps you.
Upstate New York?
Really? Well, I'm from Utica and I've never heard anyone I go stains.
I'm not in Utica, that's no. It's an Albany expression.
I sees for big.
I'm not a bit to you. These hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have at Krusty Burger.
Oh no. Lieutenant Skinner Burgers.
Old Family Recite.
For steamed hams?
Yes. Yes. Can you call a fair home stand?
One thing I should. Excuse me for 1 second.
Of course.
Well, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all.
So yes. What happened then? I should be deliveries. Raspberries. I should be fans. Words of the time is not believe. The Lord is dead to me.
Aurora Borealis? Aurora Borealis. At this time of year, at this time of day, in hard squares, which is the stain.
Yes.
May I see it?
No.
No, Mother, it's just the Northern Lights.
Well, Seymour, you're an odd fellow, I must say. You steam a dirt ham!
Help me shriek.